Kanye West and Diddy were once inseparable, building empires and making music together. But now, Kanye is turning his back on Diddy, and the reason is explosive. Newly leaked court documents reveal secret meetings and private parties that connect Kanye, Diddy, and Kim Kardashian in ways no one predicted. This evidence was meant to stay hidden forever, but now it has changed everything for Kanye. Kim Kardashian's name is appearing over and over in these court documents, pulling her right into the heart of the legal drama. Investigators are uncovering details about her presence at key events and her connections to both Kanye and Diddy. The evidence suggests that Kim may have played a bigger role than anyone realized, and her involvement is raising new questions about what really happened behind closed doors. The most shocking revelation? Kanye is now cooperating with investigators, providing details that could change the course of the entire case. The fallout from these revelations is just beginning, and the deep connections between these three megastars are unraveling in real time. Everything you thought you knew about celebrity friendships in Hollywood is about to be turned upside down. Kanye West and Diddy go back more than 20 years, and their bond was more than friendship. Diddy first discovered Kanye in the early 2000s, when Kanye was still a producer making beats for artists like Jay-Z and Ludacris. While many doubted Kanye could be a star, Diddy believed in him and offered guidance on building a brand. Diddy, already a mogul, became Kanye's mentor and big brother, sharing secrets of the music business. When Kanye released The College Dropout in 2004, it changed rap forever. Their relationship only grew stronger as they collaborated on songs and supported each other's ventures. By 2010, Diddy's Ciroc vodka deal and Kanye's rise in music and fashion showed how their partnership was about building empires together. Kim Kardashian entered the picture in 2012, but she already knew Diddy from Los Angeles' celebrity circles. When she and Kanye married in 2014, Diddy celebrated with them in Italy. Photos from that day show the three smiling and embracing, a symbol of their unity. From 2014 to 2019, Kanye, Kim, and Diddy were inseparable, supporting each other at events and in business, shaping modern pop culture as a true brotherhood. In October 2004, the first crack in the story appeared. Diddy sat in jail, his legal team battling for his release. But behind the courtroom drama, something unexpected happened. A mistake that would change everything. A court clerk accidentally uploaded a sealed document to the public database. It was supposed to be hidden, but for 3 hours anyone could access it. That was all it took. Thousands downloaded the file before it vanished. Inside the leaked document was a witness statement from someone tied to Kanye West's legal team. The name was blacked out, but the details were explosive. These were not ordinary celebrity parties. These were secret gatherings, hidden from the public eye. According to the statement, every guest signed strict legal agreements. No talking, no posting, no sharing, not even with a spouse. Phones were confiscated by security, and anyone trying to sneak one in failed. Secrecy was enforced at every turn. The parties shifted from Diddy's Hollywood Hills mansion to Miami estates and Caribbean villas, but the rules never changed. As screenshots flooded Twitter and Instagram, the truth raced across social media. There was no way to put the genie back. For nearly a decade, Diddy hosted 12 ultra-exclusive parties that were anything but ordinary. These secret gatherings drew some of the biggest names in entertainment, including Kanye West and Kim Kardashian, especially during the early years. But these weren't just wild Hollywood nights. According to a witness statement, these parties were high-stakes business networking events. Imagine music executives, fashion moguls, and tech billionaires all under one roof, away from cameras and the press. For Kanye, breaking into fashion, and for Kim, building her beauty empire, these connections were priceless. Around 2019, something changed. Both Kanye and Kim began distancing themselves from these parties. Kim was focusing on criminal justice reform and studying law, while Kanye was turning toward faith with his Sunday service events. Their priorities shifted, and so did their attendance. What truly shocked insiders was the revelation that Diddy's parties were secretly recorded by security cameras. Every conversation, every deal, every guest, captured and stored. If investigators accessed these recordings, they would expose not just Diddy, but everyone involved. The stakes, careers, reputations, and perhaps even legal consequences. The truth behind these parties remains a mystery, at least for now. Kanye West's decision to cooperate with federal investigators surprised many. But it was not a sudden reaction to recent headlines. In fact, Kanye's involvement began months before any public arrests or raids took place. Early in 2024, investigators reached out to Kanye's legal team. At this point, the investigation was still under wraps, with authorities quietly gathering evidence and interviewing key figures. Kanye's name surfaced as someone who might have crucial information related to the ongoing case. Kanye's lawyers took a cautious approach from the beginning. They requested immunity agreements to ensure that anything Kanye shared would not be used against him later. This step highlighted their concern about potential legal exposure and their desire to protect Kanye's interests. After weeks of negotiation, a deal was reached. While the specifics remain sealed, witness statements confirm Kanye agreed to cooperate fully. He committed to answering questions honestly, providing documents when available, and testifying in court if required. Kanye shared text messages and emails with investigators. These communications covered parties, business dealings with Diddy, financial transactions, and even mentioned other celebrities involved in private events. Kanye West's recent cooperation with investigators has sent shockwaves through hip-hop. Instead of staying silent, Kanye chose to share details about moments he felt pressured or uncomfortable, particularly around parties and business deals. According to sources, this wasn't just about protecting himself, but also a genuine internal conflict. Kanye described times when he wanted to leave events early, but friends urged him to stay. He questioned the motives behind business opportunities that seemed to have hidden strings attached. For years, he watched his mentor Diddy and felt uneasy, but didn't know how to act because of their close friendship. When investigators approached, Kanye saw a way to speak up without being the one to start the investigation. But in hip-hop, cooperating with law enforcement is seen as breaking an unspoken code. Some people are calling Kanye a snitch. Others say he's a rat who betrayed his friend to save himself. This has caused major divisions, with artists taking sides and relationships fracturing. Beyond hip-hop, Kanye's personal life was already in turmoil. His marriage to Kim Kardashian was unraveling, marked by a difficult divorce, custody battles, and disputes over money and values. This personal stress may have influenced his decision, adding another layer to an already controversial story. Between 2019 and 2024, Kim Kardashian and Kanye West's marriage was marked by growing tension over their social lives. According to people close to them, disagreements about who to trust and which circles to avoid became a major stressor. Kim wanted distance from certain people, while Kanye felt torn between his old life and new responsibilities. By 2019, Kim had already stepped back from Diddy's parties and that scene. Kanye, however, continued attending for a while, deepening the divide between them. This raised questions about priorities and judgment and ultimately contributed to their separation. Their different choices about social engagements created a lasting rift. When investigators approached Kanye in 2024, he and Kim were divorced, but still connected through their 4 children. Kanye faced a critical decision: stay silent, risking his reputation and custody, or cooperate and control the narrative. The possibility of damaging information emerging made the stakes personal, especially regarding his children's future. Some close to Kanye say he consulted Kim's lawyers before cooperating, ensuring their stories aligned. This allowed them to present a united front, positioning themselves as witnesses rather than participants. Ultimately, Kanye provided detailed information without contradicting Kim or implicating her, protecting both their reputations and their children. Kim Kardashian's name recently surfaced in leaked court documents, but her involvement goes far beyond simply being Kanye West's wife at the time. These revelations paint a more complex picture of her business world. From 2015 to 2018, Kim attended at least 5 private parties, a period when she was rapidly growing her cosmetics empire and expanding her brand. At these exclusive gatherings, she networked with potential investors and fashion executives, pitching ideas and seeking collaboration deals. Witnesses describe her as networking aggressively, making connections that would later prove crucial for her business. What makes this situation complicated is that some people Kim met at these parties later became her business partners. Funds from companies linked to these attendees eventually supported her business ventures. This has led investigators to examine whether these deals were entirely above board, or if there were hidden agreements discussed at those secretive parties. Importantly, Kim Kardashian is not accused of any wrongdoing. Her legal team emphasizes that meeting future partners at social events is standard business practice. Still, her presence in these documents raises questions investigators are eager. Kim Kardashian's name has surfaced in documents connected to Diddy's parties, sparking public curiosity. But in early 2019, Kim made a sudden exit from that scene. She didn't slowly fade out. She stopped attending overnight, cutting off ties with several people she met through Diddy's circle. So what triggered this abrupt change? According to witness statements, Kim had a private conversation with Kanye West after a late 2018 party. Afterward, she told Kanye she was done with those events. The documents don't reveal what she saw or heard, leaving everyone guessing. The timing of Kim's departure is striking. In 2019, she began her journey into criminal justice reform. She started studying to become a lawyer, determined to be more than a reality TV star. Her public image shifted from glamorous influencer to serious advocate, raising questions about what truly inspired her new path. Kim's work quickly became high profile. She met with President Donald Trump to discuss prison reform and helped free wrongfully imprisoned people. Her commitment to justice became her new identity, showing a genuine, significant transformation. Whatever happened in Diddy's world, it clearly marked a turning point in Kim Kardashian's life. Kim Kardashian's journey from reality TV star to respected businesswoman and advocate has been anything but simple. Her transformation is marked by ambition, determination, and a relentless drive to change public perception. Kim has built a billion-dollar business empire and earned respect for her criminal justice reform work. She's on track to become a lawyer, and her achievements have shifted how the world views her. This evolution shows her commitment to creating a legacy beyond entertainment, focusing on meaningful impact. However, Kim's reputation faces new challenges. Her name, even mentioned alongside controversial figures like Diddy, puts her hard-earned image at risk. Her team works tirelessly to protect her brand and future legal career, pushing back against any suggestion of involvement in scandals. Kim's marriage to Kanye West also faced strain from these controversies. Disagreements about social circles and values, especially regarding certain parties, contributed to their split. Kim ultimately chose to distance herself from that scene, while Kanye did not immediately follow. Today, Kim's story highlights the importance of personal integrity and the tough choices behind public personas. Her experience reminds us that reputation is fragile and every decision shapes the future. The recent scandal surrounding Diddy's secret parties is sending shockwaves through Hollywood. This is not just about a few celebrities. It is about the entire system of power and influence that has kept secrets hidden for years. Court documents reveal that music executives, fashion industry leaders, and tech billionaires attended these secret gatherings. Most names are still redacted, leaving dozens or even hundreds of powerful people wondering if they are next. Secrecy agreements once promised protection, but now the fear of exposure is real. Hollywood is gripped by paranoia. Celebrities who have not been publicly accused are suddenly hiring high-powered criminal defense attorneys. Friendships are falling apart, and business partnerships are quietly dissolving as people scramble to distance themselves from anyone connected to the scandal. This case is forcing the industry to confront uncomfortable truths. For years, rumors of secret parties where real deals were made were dismissed as conspiracy theories. Now, court documents confirm these parties existed, and the powerful did attend. The fallout is just beginning. As more secrets threaten to surface, Hollywood's hidden workings are exposed, leaving everyone to wonder who will be revealed next. Behind Hollywood's glitz lies a world few ever see. Secret parties, hidden networks, and whispered deals shape the entertainment industry far more than most realize. But what happens in these rooms doesn't stay there. It ripples through our culture. Every hit song, blockbuster movie, or fashion trend may trace its roots to connections made at these exclusive gatherings. Decisions made in private settings determine who rises, who falls, and who gets left behind. With no transparency or accountability, we're left to wonder, how much of what we celebrate as talent is really just access? There's a deeper layer too. Diddy, a black mogul who built an empire and championed black excellence, now faces federal charges and a collapsing legacy. For some in the black community, this feels like another powerful black man being targeted by the system. Others argue, accountability matters, no matter who you are. These tensions reveal the challenges of balancing loyalty with justice. Kanye West complicates things further. By cooperating with investigators, is he betraying his culture or bravely pursuing truth? The debate is splitting the hip-hop world, forcing tough conversations about loyalty, accountability, and truth. Hollywood's hidden parties aren't just industry gossip. They're shaping our culture and challenging our values. Kanye West's recent cooperation with investigators has sent shockwaves through hip-hop. Instead of staying silent, Kanye chose to share details about moments he felt pressured or uncomfortable, particularly around parties and business deals. According to sources, this wasn't just about protecting himself, but also a genuine internal conflict. Kanye described times when he wanted to leave events early, but friends urged him to stay. He questioned the motives behind business opportunities that seemed to have hidden strings attached. For years, he watched his mentor Diddy and felt uneasy, but didn't know how to act because of their close friendship. When investigators approached, Kanye saw a way to speak up without being the one to start the investigation. But in hip-hop, cooperating with law enforcement is seen as breaking an unspoken code. Some people are calling Kanye a snitch. Others say he's a rat who betrayed his friend to save himself. This has caused major divisions, with artists taking sides and relationships fracturing. Beyond hip-hop, Kanye's personal life was already in turmoil. His marriage to Kim Kardashian was unraveling, marked by a difficult divorce, custody battles, and disputes over money and values. This personal stress may have influenced his decision, adding another layer to an already controversial story. The recent high-profile celebrity case has shaken how young people view success and fame. For years, icons like Diddy, Kim, and Kanye represented the ultimate dream, making it big and living glamorously. Now, that image is fractured. Youth are realizing that celebrity status often comes with hidden compromises and tough moral choices. Success, they're learning, can be complicated and sometimes disappointing. The financial consequences for key figures are significant. Diddy's business empire is taking a hit, his vodka deal is at risk, and his media company's value is dropping. Companies that once partnered with him are quietly pulling away. Kim's brand faces uncertainty too, as repeated news mentions could erode consumer trust. Meanwhile, Kanye's already controversial reputation is further complicated by new public perceptions, potentially jeopardizing future business deals. The entire entertainment industry is feeling the impact. Investors are more cautious, and companies are digging deeper before signing endorsement deals. There's now more scrutiny over finances, slowing down deals that once seemed routine. This shift is bringing more transparency and accountability, but also creating short-term uncertainty. Celebrities are changing how they interact. Trust is lower, and people are more guarded. Some insiders believe this correction is overdue, arguing that increased accountability will ultimately strengthen the industry. The lesson for everyone: success is never as simple as it seems. Legal scrutiny is reshaping hip-hop culture in ways that go far beyond the courtroom. As the spotlight intensifies, it is forcing artists, entrepreneurs, and fans to confront tough questions about loyalty, opportunity, and the meaning of friendship. Hip-hop has a long, complicated history with law enforcement, rooted in decades of over-policing and injustice in Black communities. Out of that history emerged a cultural code: you do not cooperate with police or prosecutors. But as legal investigations reach high-profile artists, this code is being tested like never before, creating tension and uncertainty throughout the industry. Kanye West's cooperation with authorities broke that code publicly, sparking painful conversations. If someone faces serious criminal charges, does loyalty still matter most? Or is there a point where telling the truth outweighs community expectations? The answers are not easy, and the hip-hop community remains divided. The fallout has also exposed the fragility of celebrity friendships. Kanye and Diddy's 20-year bond crumbled under legal pressure. Now, fans are left wondering if celebrity relationships are ever genuine or just business arrangements in disguise. For rising artists and entrepreneurs, this uncertainty threatens opportunity. Change is necessary, but its consequences are complex and far-reaching. Just when everyone thought they understood the investigation, a major twist has emerged. Investigators now possess video recordings from Diddy's infamous parties, obtained during recent raids. This unexpected evidence is changing the course of the entire case and putting new pressure on those involved. In a surprising move, investigators have started showing this footage to witnesses. By revealing video of individuals at these parties, authorities are encouraging honesty and cooperation. When people see undeniable proof of their presence, the strategy leaves little room for denial. It is a classic investigative technique, now amplified by the high-profile nature of those involved. The existence of these recordings is sending shockwaves through celebrity circles. Many powerful figures, once confident their attendance was secret, are now realizing the truth is out. Sources say several high-profile individuals have already contacted investigators, hoping to cooperate before their names make headlines. They are scrambling to control the narrative and protect their reputations. Despite the drama, legal experts note that much of the footage shows ordinary business interactions, not obvious criminal acts. Still, with more names likely to emerge and evidence becoming public, this investigation is far from over.